your shit, grab your gap.
Today we'll be installing an 89 240SX radiator. Remove the two vacuum lines that go into the intake. Unplug the MAF airflow sensor. And then remove the vacuum line. And when you're finished, remove the intake out of the car. Next, drain the fluid out of the radiator. Remove the lower radiator hose. Next, remove the upper radiator hose. Next, remove the two radiator support brackets. Once everything's out of the way, then you can remove the radiator out of the car. Install a new radiator into the car. Install the brackets onto the new radiator. Once those are all done, then you can reinstall the lower and upper radiator hoses.
There's only one